let's talk about plant reproduction with our bean plant. One of the crucial parts of hydroponics is pollination. Definitely pollination is helpful, right? And with the plants being inside and we don't want the bugs in here, it makes it difficult. So here's some ways to pollinate your plant. One of the first and best ways to pollinate your plant is adding a fan. It helps remove the heat from their light source and it helps move the pollen around. In my opinion, fans like this are best because they're small size and they can easily clip onto surfaces and they're low noise. What is also awesome about this fan is that when it's clipped onto the plant's base, the vibration of the motor shakes the plant, releasing pollen with also the wind helping pollinate. That's awesome about the fan, but what are other ways to pollinate? Yeah, these guys, we don't want them in the house, so sometimes we have to beat them. Let me show you how. Bonus tip. Sometimes just flicking the base of the plant really hard helps loosen out the pollen. I'm going to help you be the bee.
So what are we doing, Nathan?
We are flicking the flower with other flowers to get pollen into the other flowers and hopefully get bees.
That is cool. And do you think it works?
Yeah. We didn't really think this plant was gonna get pollinated. We were almost gonna give up. It was almost time for the compost pile. Dun dun dun! The other day when I was cleaning the bean plant, my hand hit something hard. I didn't know what it was.
It startled me.
At first I thought it was a Pokemon, but then I realized it wasn't. It was a bean pod. The bean pod was so big, it was almost as big as my hand.
My gosh, what was that? Oh!
This is the one that startled me, and it's so huge, and we have 3 more. Look here.
Look at that bean plant.
And then the next one is huge.
Look at that one. It looks just like the leaves, doesn't it? And look at that one.
Ooh. And look at that one.
It is huge.
Yeah. So far, so good. We have 4 bean pods, and if we get at least one of them, challenge complete. Wait till next episode when we harvest one of the bean pods. See you later.